Now you have to sing the national anthem.
Oh, I don't know how.
Sing it.
I don't know how.
You should be ashamed. What songs do you know?
I don't know.
Say the Pledge of Allegiance then.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
Uh-huh.
Public. Which we stand. I forget the rest. I'm sorry. I haven't done that in a while.
You're going to be writing the Pledge of Allegiance then in cursive.
I already have.
Show the sparklers to Joey.
Joey!
Joey!
Light her on the fire.
Oh, don't get in her face.
Yeah. Ooh.
Run, Joey, run!
Yeah, what's that? What are you doing there, man? What's up, Daddy?
Joey! Hey!